The story of this device becomes even more interesting when we move into the next wave of leaks. The information from the supply chain and early software builds continued to expand, giving a clearer picture of Apple's plans. Each clue, taken alone, might seem small, but when placed side by side, they formed a map that experts could trace. And the path of that map pointed toward a complete repositioning of the small tablet. Instead of being a casual device for light use, it appeared to be turning into a reliable tool for skilled work. This was unusual for Apple, because the company normally keeps its smallest tablets simple and affordable. But the leaks suggested that this time could be different. One of the most unexpected discoveries came from testers who claimed that prototypes were using experimental display behavior. They described a system called dynamic motion elevation. Even though the term sounded technical, the idea behind it was simple. The device changed the timing of frames in a way that made the screen feel smoother during movement, even without a very high refresh rate. If this method works well, it could allow the tablet to offer near-premium motion quality without using as much battery power. That would be especially useful for users who scroll through large documents, navigate maps, edit video clips, or fly drones. Smooth motion without a big power cost could help the device last longer during important tasks. This development also fit into could improve range and reliability. If both the modem and antenna are upgraded, the device would deliver one of the strongest mobile connections in any compact tablet. The leaks did not stop there. Developers found user interface scaling modes inside Apple software layers that looked new. These modes allowed more information to fit on the screen without reducing clarity. For a compact device, this type of UI flexibility is extremely valuable. Drone pilots could see more telemetry data. Field researchers could view more entries at once. Editors could see more of a timeline. Engineers could inspect larger diagrams without constant zooming. These new scaling modes strongly support the idea that Apple is preparing the device for more advanced workflows. Pricing predictions also became clearer. As more leaks emerged, it became easier to understand why analysts expected a price increase. The device appeared to be gaining features normally reserved for much more expensive models.